Hello guys, and welcome back to this masterclass for the beginners in JSP. It's your guy once again, the Wolf, and today we have a very special thing to learn in JSP. And remember guys, in the previous lesson we discussed about we were learning about syntax in JSP, and we talked about something called decision making statement in JSP page, the one that you can see on my screen right now. And today guys, I just wanna we do something different, and that something different is that we wanna use a switch case statement and or block and do something. So without much ado, let's get started. Now look at the following switch case block, which has been written a bit different using out.println and inside the script. So let me just do it here. I'm going to go inside the body here again and then move all this. Remember, this is the continuation of syntax in JSP. So, and again guys, I'm using Eclipse as my ID to write this. Remember, you have to integrate with Tomcat as a server so that you can be able to run a web application here with JSP. So let's do it right here. So in this HTML header, before the body, you see the body is here and then the head inside here. I just want to add some title here today. I just want to say what should I say? I just want to use a switch. Remember this thing, the statement are just like the same. The syntax is just the same. If you know Java, you already know JSP. It's just a few things that you need to connect. So example, just like that. So the head is done, and again that's the title. So I'm just going to come in the body here and I'll write the less than and then percentage. Remember, that's how we do JSP scripting in HTML page or JSP page. And now I'm going to create a switch statement, which is just a block of code to be executed if certain case is met. So I'll just write switch. I just want to switch days, right? And in these days that I want to switch, if it's certain day, we can display that day. And I think the font is a little bit small. Editor, let me just zoom in once more. I think that is okay. So in this case, what do I want to do? So I should write day here because I'm going to pass a day, and before that actually I should declare an int. So let me just do it over here. I can declare even wherever I want to declare. So I can declare a variable there and I call it int. That should make it a universal, which is equal to, let's say, 4, right? Cut is not working. Oh, it's working. Cut and bring it just right here. But why are you giving me this? Anyway, so let's continue. So in this day, I just want to write a case here. Case 0. So in this case 0, I just want to write something, which I'm just going to say print tray. Print line, and then I will just say I should say apostrophe there, just like that, and then we put an S and say it's Sunday. This is Sunday. And then make sure remember to put a comma there. And then the next thing I want to do, let me just save this. So should we write day here? So to avoid the errors, I should save once again. So I can say auto print line Sunday. If that is the case, 0. And then I can say break if that is Monday. That's how we break from the switch statement. If something turns out to be true, then we break out of the switch statement. And then I can create now case 3 here. Case 1. Case 1. I should say again I can copy this. Then I say it's Monday. And then I should again copy this, all of this, and then I print all, let's say number 5 there, and copy this, and paste, Control Z. And again, so we can have 2, we can have 3, we can have 4, then finally we can have 5 over here. Then we change the case, this one we replace with 5, so we can change the days. There is Monday, then this should be Tuesday. The last one should be what? Friday and Saturday. You should have put up here. And finally we should have a default one. Saturday. So we'll break, not break, but default. And the pattern day should be Saturday. It's a long switch statement around here, guys. Don't worry. You're now maturing to be shown adult stuff. So it's a Saturday. When I talk, I can't write anything. So it's not my problem, really. Maybe the system is low function. So why is this one here? Let me first of all save. What is this? Having some problem around here. So let me just run this first of all and see how have to correct on the server. Turn card, finish. So it's running. It's actually here. This is in another mountain there. So it's written it's a Thursday. Should it be a Thursday anyway? Let me see. Should it be a Thursday? Number 4. What is the number 4 is? Yeah, it's number 4. That's really true. And let's change another number here. Let's say it's and actually I should not even write this. Control Z. This one is not a must, but I think that's when we declare. Okay, let's change this to maybe 6 and again save, and then come back here, this case statement, and then again run it. It's a Saturday, so guys, you can see that it has worked as expected. So this code actually it has generated what we have seen here, and it's working. So let's talk about the loop statements. So you can also use the 3 basic types of looping block in Java. We have for, and we have while, and we have do while. You see those blocks in Java JSP programming, we can use them again here in this JSP page. So let us look at this example here, and let's use what? Let's use a for loop. So I just want to use a for loop to do this. So again, I'll just change a few things here. Maybe I should create this and so maybe just say font, or should I just start afresh? No, you're wasting time. So I'll just kill this and then a font size, and then a font size I just declare without assigning. And then again come down here. Now I should remove the switch. This did not even remove this kind of error which is not even there, but I think the server normally makes these mistakes, but it doesn't. It compiles correctly. So let me just use the for loop again, or should I just create this? I don't like seeing this actually. It's my bad. Yeah, but again, you would still have it. Anyway, let me just ignore it. So I'll create a for loop. So I just say for, then for what, and then what. Oh no, there, outside the bracket. So you say font. This font size here. So just copy that. And let's say for font equals to 1, and then I can again say for font size, copy again this, and I can say paste it there. Say for font size should be less or equal. If it's less or equal, how do you do that? I just write this and then equal sign, just like that, and then I will equal to 3. is less or equal to 3. And then lastly, the last condition here is again font. The first time the font is 1. If the font is actually less or equal to 3, then continue looping until we finish at 3. So this is what this means. Font. Today I'm so slow. I don't know why. I'm so slow. Copy this. This is there. There should be a comma here, and I can now say concatenate this. No, not concatenating, but incrementing. So yeah, here we are. And there's a mistake somewhere because this should be enclosed in here. So this is not allowed. I'm so slow. I don't know. So again, I cannot say the font color. The font color. What is this? Font color equals to green. And then size is equals to, assign it. We can assign so I can assign equals to font size value here, so it will cool action. This is so awesome. This is the best example you're going to do. Here should end this font now in the right way. Font break line, and then I should add the line here. So this is closed. Now it's not closed. I should close it just like that, and then I'll cut you. I place you in here. And now you have to go just like that. Let me just save this and see whether I've made any mistakes there. So let's run a little here. So I've just saved, reload this, just reload this and see. There we go. JSP tutorial, JSP tutorial, JSP tutorial. So you can see I've used a while loop just to go through this, a for loop, just to go 3 times. It's checking whether font size, as long as the font size is less than 3, continue looping, continue going through, continue iterating until you finish. That's why we have JSP tutorial 3 times. So again, guys, let's talk about a while loop as follows. We can also actually write this in a different way. Like, let's do it. We can write this in a different way. So I'm just going to remove all this so that I don't get any confusion. And save. So this thing, they never wanted to leave me alone. So again, I'm just going to declare above here. Let me just declare around here. So I just want to declare a variable. So remember how you declare a variable in JSP, just like that. Now you can write int, again font size, so from there, what else? Put a comma. Let me see how many minutes are this. Yeah, so again from here I just come in the body here and then I do the same thing as usual, percentage. I just want to do a while again. While, you can say this, while font size is less or equal to 3, and please continue doing this what I want to show you. So drop down a little bit here. Now start a new page, JSP tag here, font. Yeah, that's cool. So I'll say font color. I can say red maybe. I can give it, a color again. Let's say blue. And from here again, I should check the size again. So size, I can assign this. So equal sign that one, and then I can now put my JSP tags in here, just like this. And from here now I can assign, actually, yeah, so I should again assign in between here. Put your font size there, font size. Cool. Now from here, what else am I left with? I should add my JSP tutorial. Now from here I can break. I just break one line, BR, and then I can concatenate now, increment the value by just doing the tag again. And now I can say font size, and then increment it. That's how we increment. So once it runs once, it increments. So the same thing, I'm just doing the same thing. So let me just close this now, because it's over here. It should be closed with these JSP tags here. So there, and then close in there, just like that. So what else? Why are you giving me so many stress? Anyway, so from here, what else is done? So let me just save this. Hope there's no error, because you have underlined me so many times. So let me just reload it. Ooh, an error. I think this my server today got some issues. So I think the problem was that I should declare this above here and put this exclamation mark, this a universal thing. And then you can see now there's no error in here. So I can save this and then again reload this. There we go. So you can see JSP tutorial, as it increases with the number itself there. Oh, that is so awesome. So guys, let's talk about JSP operators. So JSP supports all the logical and arithmetic operators supported by Java. So following the table that I want to show you here, actually I got some material around here. So I'm just going to show you this, and you can see what we have here. Just come with it here from this desktop, and then I should expand this. So you can see JSP operators here. We have a postfix here, we have unary operators, we have actually we have a couple of them. So these are the operators. So this actually mostly appears. So guys, you can see a couple of operators here that we can use to do some what is it written here? JSP support all the logical and arithmetic operators supported by. Yeah, of course, it's true. So JSP normally supports all the logical and arithmetic operators supported by Java. So this is the list, and you can see all these. This one we use them in Java, core Java, at the most. So this I call assignment. This is additional, logical OR. Yeah, this is really true. And we have bitwise AND, bitwise XOR, bitwise OR. So you can visit them around here and see what they can offer you. But if you already know the Java, you already know this. So again, we have this JSP literal that they express the language. Look at this. So we have a true and false, which is a boolean. So we have integers in Java, of which is true. Floating point as in Java, yes. So guys, that is all for the class of today, and hope to meet you in the next lesson, where we will talk about I think we will talk about something different. So thank you so much, and see you there.